Woo! What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new episode. First timers, we got myself, Hero.
Got Alvin.
We got Alvin.
Your superstars of the show.
Superstars of the show, and welcome to the tech series.
Yes. So today, or actually, let's not even get into the product just yet. But the main reason this product was purchased is because some of us that have an e-bike here or a built e-bike keep blowing tires, and I'm getting tired of sitting there putting in a new tube or patching the tube and
then hand pumping.
Yeah, so it's getting annoying. And the hard part is I can't bring a big compressor that's like a 60-gallon compressor and carry it with me, or even like a smaller compressor. So the idea is, boom, little tire inflator. It looks like the size of a battery. Of like a battery pack that you would bring with you, like say you go to Disneyland or something and you need to make your phone last all day. So I'm actually very excited. This is called Dexpole, a smart air pump.
Yeah,
so,
it's smart.
Yes. So again, I'm intrigued to try this guy out, guys, because apparently I could sit there and hook this up on my car and inflate my car tire. So I'm boggled right now. It's something that's this size. As we get to the unboxing portion, I'll let you see the images that are on the rear side of it, so you guys can kind of go, it can do that, and I'm gonna be, if it does it, I'm gonna be ecstatic. So again, I'll have this link in the description below. If it's amazing, it'll be down there. If it's not amazing, it'll still be there, so you can definitely go check it out. But like I said, I'm intrigued. It should be small enough to fit in my backpack. It should be small enough to hopefully fit in my seat.
In his bike trunk.
Yes, I got my little seat here, so hopefully I could fit it in there. But we will see, guys. I am intrigued to get this guy unboxed, so let's try it out.
All right.
Woo! Alright guys, so this is called Dexpole again, and you can kind of see what it's showing on here. It shows a car, motorcycle, bike, basketball even, so sports equipment. Other than that, like I was saying here guys, it's showing that it has the LED lighting for lighting up like a tire, I guess. Pumping a bike tire. They claim that this should be able to pump a regular car tire up to 50 psi, bike tire up to 100 psi, and a motorcycle up to 40 psi. So balls even 3 to 14, so just don't go crazy. But if you do need to know those ratings in different parts of the world, KPA and bar are also listed on the box here. But let's open it out here, guys. Yeah, you don't know how excited this is making me, guys.
The person that always gets flats is excited about a pump.
Oh, and they got instructions here. It's not one of those open ones, it's a booklet design. So that's actually pretty cool. This is a Type-C charging version of the pump. I don't know if it's going to be fully charged, but we will hope that it is. And here we go, guys. There we go.
Wow.
It's actually small enough. It's not. It might not be short enough to fit in my bag. I don't know how to turn it on. Oh, you have to hold it on. Oh, so you have to hold that power button. Didn't know that, guys.
Because we didn't read the instructions.
So you can go there. Bike tire. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing like 55 pounds. 55 pounds here. Let's see if I can get it there. Okay, so I don't know how to set it. I don't know. What? Let me see. Hold on, guys. Oh, PSA. Okay. So I was just going through the things. I don't know how it works. How does it work? Do I just like push it?
Oh, dang. Wow, so there's a little compressor inside.
Yeah, that is.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that was actually louder than I anticipated, guys. But if this is going to keep me from having to pump it, and it could get my tire inflated fast, I will be happy. So we will try a bike tire here in a second, but let's just make sure what we got. Oh, look at that. Let me get this all out there, guys, so you can kind of see it in all its glory. So looks like you have a little adapter for Presta there, guys. So a nice black Presta adapter. You do have a hose as well, so you can actually hose everything together.
Connected.
Yes, connected together so you don't have to. Yeah, sorry guys. But yes, yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. But again, the hose here pretty much allows you to get into places that you normally can't get to with this pump. So say you have a bunch of spokes on your bike and you can't fit it in there, you'll need to use this here.
It's a flexible hose.
Flexible hose. And now we have the ball inflator. So you slide it in, and again you can attach it to these pieces here as well as I think these are one of those inflators for what's called for like inner tubes and stuff. But again, most inner tubes are like a 1 inch to 2 inches wide. So I don't know what this will be able to inflate, but maybe like a pool or something inflatable. But you have it there, and again, Type-C to charge the actual device. And boom, guys, a nice carry. Now, no joke, guys, this bag is actually pretty thick, but it looks like if I pull really hard on the side, I can probably really stretch it out. But the material actually feels pretty stretchy and all that, so that's actually pretty cool. But yeah, anyway, let us get a tire. I want to test this. Let's see how it works. All right, guys, so I got a dirty tire here. But we're going to actually put this Presta valve adapter on here. All right, let's see if we can get this all put together here. So we're gonna screw this on here, guys. Look at that, boom. Now I'm gonna turn it back on. So again, to turn it on, you have to hold it. This is a strange idea. And there we go. Still set up at 55 pounds. So if you are using something at a specific PSI, it looks like it'll remember that probably until the battery is fully dead. But let us screw this on here. Oh snaps! Look at that. Now I don't know how fast or long it's going to take, but we'll try it. So let's try it. Feel it. It's not super fast.
Squeeze it?
Yeah, you can see it right there, 2.5.
Oh, cool.
3. I mean, for me, that beats pumping. Dang, feel this?
It's been about 5 minutes. Dang, that tire is solid.
Solid at 55, guys.
54.5, 55, and it just stops.
Look at that, guys. That is pretty cool. It was at 3 bars. It dropped all the way down to 1 bar to do 1 tire. So it's supposed to be able to do more tires than that. So we'll let it charge for a few minutes, and we'll go try it on a car, because I'm intrigued. I have a car that has a little bit of air leak, and why not pump it up with this guy? So, but we'll charge it first to give it the benefit of the doubt. I'm not gonna go full charge yet. We'll actually come back and probably do another review, because he thinks he can pump faster than this pump here. And so we're gonna see, because right now it shows 0. So technically I should be able to plug this back on and it'll probably say 50 or whatever. And we can kind of guesstimate on how crazy this pump is. Oh, and turn it off. Boom! All right, so let me charge it. Next scene, you'll see us at the car pumping a car tire with this thing. I am excited, guys. Here we are. The El Camino's tire is at 25 PSI. So we're gonna actually fill this. And here we go. Let's see. Here, what do we do? Press here. Oh, it went down. Yeah, it went to 24.5. That's funny.
Meanwhile,
Alright guys, so it's at 30.5 PSI right now. We're going on 8 minutes, so we decided to
Take a drink break.
But you guys could hear it still going on the tire.
So we're thinking that because a car tire has more volume of air in it, it just takes a longer time to go up a PSI versus the bicycle tire that we just pumped earlier. So yeah, I mean that's something that you have to consider. We didn't realize it until we actually did it.
Until we tried it, yeah. I mean, but again, it's still pumping it, so don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
It's a lot slower. I mean, if you had probably a cigarette lighter, you know, those cigarette lighter pumps, obviously you pump in like, you know, 5 minutes and it'll get to its, you know, probably to that range. But right now, I'm gonna safely say that it's probably gonna take a good 16 minutes to go 10 psi, which I know people are like, that's way too long. But again, for something that's handheld.
Yeah, and an emergency case, if you don't have a pump at all. Yeah.
And apparently the charge is supposed to stay fully charged for, they call it long lasting. I don't know what that means. So if you leave it in your car, you know, I'm assuming probably every 6 months you might have to charge it. You know, my idea is you could probably plug it into your cigarette lighter and, you know, have it there and let it charge and then unplug it, and then you remember about it 3 or 4 months later, plug it back in and let it charge again. But you know, it is a lithium battery. You know, in the box it says, you know, something about shipping because it possibly could explode and all the other junk because of the battery.
Keep it in your trunk.
Yeah, keep it in your trunk, whatever. The heat. But yeah, I mean, you can hear it. It's like fighting that last couple psi. It's like, yeah, guys, it's still going. Anyway,
I think this is best for a bicycle tire. Yeah, just because, you know, it's.
Yeah, Hero could probably pump his car tire faster than this.
Yeah, with the hand pump.
I know. But yeah, anyway, guys, we'll be back shortly, just to kind of go over it.
Yep.
Guys, it just finished. It literally just finished, so we got it to 35 pounds. Look at that, guys. The tire looks straighter, definitely. Yeah, that is amazing. So it does have the little light there. It definitely took down
2 bars.
Yeah, so I got it to 3 bars. It's down to 1 bar again. So I'll have to fully charge it, and you know, we'll play with it. You know, guys, this is exciting for me on the bike. So I'm pretty sure we'll be able to do multiple pumps with the bike, but you know, I'm just excited I don't have to pump anymore. Hero won't have to bring his pump.
Nope.
Which is electric.
But I will bring it just in case.
Dang, always
manual power, baby.
Dang. Anyway, guys, we will see you guys next time. We are very excited. Like I said, on the you know, if you haven't subscribed to First Time Recycling, we'll have a link below. Like I said, we're gonna have Hero race me on pumping a bike tire. So he'll do the bike tire with his manual pump. I will do it with my electric pump, and we'll see who can finish first, guys. Anyway, laters, guys.
Peace.
Woo.